Hello everyone, hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube, and I have an unboxing to do, y'all, from Neris laces, and it is my laces that I ordered from her. I got 3 packages, but one was sent as a gift to someone else. So I got 2 for myself, and we're gonna open these babies up. I'm gonna put one to the side. And we're gonna see what's in these puppies. And I'm gonna rebag them so I can store them in my drawers. So when y'all get them, when y'all purchase stuff from her, always keep y'all bags, the packaging that she puts everything in, because y'all can reuse everything. And here we go with a beautiful brooch with some pearls attached. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna have to cut the elastic off. There. And there we have some pearls there. Okay. And we have these lovely string pearls. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to open up this here. Oh, I see some bling-a-ling-a-ling-ding-ding. So we're going to go open this bag first. And first I see we have this beautiful bling. And I'm going to put that up here. And then this bling. Okay. Put that up there. This thing I've never seen. Oh. We got some little hearts. It's different hearts. I don't know how she fit these things in this little bag, but let me see if I can pull them all out. And they're different styles. Oh, they're little wooden hearts. Look at that, how cute. And these 2 are plain on both sides. Put that aside. I'm going to pull these out. Put this up on top of here. Put that to the side. Right up there. Then we have this bling. Okay. Okay, we have this bling. These are encased in plastic. I've never seen them encased like so. And we have this one. I love that. Now let's see what's in here. we have some little roses, little bouquet of roses with some babies, with some pearls there. Okay. We see it's wrapped in, let's move the bling out because, well, we're going to put this back in here. And put that to the side. Actually put it back in the box. Back in the box so we can put this up to the camera. It is wrapped in lace fabric. Oh, look how pretty. And when she wraps her stuff, let me tell you, it is beautifully done. This is the lace fabric. So I'm going to move that out of the way. And here's everything that's encased in it. Oh. And it smells really good. We have this. Y'all, I've purchased all of my laces and trims from Neris, and it's lasted me a while. We have this one. And they're either a yard or a half yard. It depends on what she states when she puts the kits together. And then this one. Let's see this side. And there is a wrong and right side to these. Okay. Oh, look at this one, how pretty, y'all. You see the sequins on there? Oh, you can't see it. Look at that, how pretty. And this is a yard. Now, I don't know if she has any more of these kits. If she does, I will have her link it in the comments below. Then we have this one. This one has little swags on it. She has some beautiful, beautiful stuff. And her kits come with so much in them. Y'all won't believe. Got this. Then you have this gorgeous, oh, it's like a chandelier style applique. I'm trying to make it where it does, nothing falls. Here's another applique. Now I leave all my kits together. But when I'm working on a project, if I see something in a kit that I need, I usually pull out from different kits. See all the appliques you get in here? Look how pretty. See that, how pretty? And look how long that applique is. I mean, literally. It's that long. Okay. Here's the next applique. Look. There's some pretty good sized appliques in here, y'all. And you have this one. I fold them when I put them away. And what I do to remember where I got the products from, once I do my unboxing or whatever you want to call it, I make a label and put it on the kit or the packaging when I'm putting it in the drawer of what company or what person I buy them from, so that way I can give proper credit to whoever I get it from. And look how pretty. This will look good on a clutch, on a bodice. I have another idea for that. Okay. Then we have this applique. See, this is the same one, but in black and white. So she has them in different colors. Same styles, different colors. Look at this one, how pretty. This one's got pink in it. Look at this one. Okay. The other one, I'm going to do a different video, because it's a different kit. Okay. Now this one is the same thing. I have it in off-white, white, and black. I have it in all three. Okay. Now what I do with these when I put them away, what I usually do is take them, fold them under, fold it back, under, and back. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. Sorry. As everything comes tumbling down. That way it makes it easy to put away. So again, fold it back, over, back, and over. Now here's a big one. Whoops, a daisy. The big lace. Now you can cut these into separate and make them appliques. Okay. That's what I usually do. Even the small ones, you can turn them into little appliques. That's how mine usually last me a long time. See? This is dainty. This is real dainty. Here's another one. You can make this one into possibly 2 appliques. You're gonna see when I use them. See? This is a beaded one. It's got pearls in the center. You got this one. You have this one. This one you can definitely, there's 1 applique, there's 2 appliques. Okay. Look at that one, how pretty. Then you have this huge applique. Then you have this one. Okay, that is it for this one. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And hit that thumbs up, y'all. And please be kind, be caring, be positive. Be crafty. Be blessed. Be safe, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.